Hi, I'm Liz.
And I'm Leanne.
And we're the Old Lady Wives. And for the next 6 weeks,
we'll be living in our micro trailer.
For our second week, we'll be in Fruita, Colorado, where we will be riding 18th Road and the Kokopelli Trails, and we'll be camping atop a mesa. And we're bringing you along with us. Hi, everyone.
Hey.
There's Leanne.
Hi, I'm Leanne.
I'm Liz.
And we are in Fruita, Colorado.
And we're at a really amazing camping spot.
Yeah, it's up on a mesa.
Yeah, it's up on a
mesa.
This is our camp. I'll give you a little tour of it. There's Leanne. She's going into the fridge. We got a bunch of sun shelters set up here. It's our kitchen, our yoga studio, and I'll show you the view. The view is pretty incredible here. Leanne is getting the fire ready for dinner tonight. We are going to have steak and acorn squash. Let's go see how the fire's doing. It's crackling.
Nando, salt, covered in salt. A little gristly for a good steak.
Good. Wow. Wow. The sky is just incredible tonight.
Just saw a coyote and went that way.
I think it was coming after Leanne.
Colorado River's that way. We're going in to watch a movie.
And we will see you tomorrow morning.
Good night.
Good night. Good morning. Check out this sky. It's just incredible. Making some coffee. Gonna make something to eat. And then we're gonna get ready for our day. Go mountain biking.
Hi. The only thing I don't like about this campsite is the outhouse is at least 1.5 kilometers away. So I have to drive to the outhouse.
We are heading to 18 Road
to go mountain biking.
We'll see you out there.
Bye.
Bye. We arrived at the main parking lot, 18 Road.
Best riding around here.
And we're gonna head out riding. Okay, we will see you out there. Today is Canadian Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving to everyone at home. Hope you're having a good holiday.
Well, I just found out that today is Indigenous Day in the United States. Canadian Thanksgiving at home. I know that it used to be called Columbus Day. But he wasn't very nice to the Indigenous when he came here. So they changed the date. But then who was? We just came and took their land like they were nothing. And it was all based on religion. Anyways, that's my 2 cents. First time I came here was probably 10, 12 years ago. And nobody knew of this place. And it was just empty. You could come here anytime. Camping was free. Yeah, it was pretty amazing. But where we're located is only 2 hours from Denver. Then COVID came and the fighting began over camping spot. So due to that, now you gotta pay $20 to stay here. Gets you a campsite and a picnic table and a fire pit. No water, no garbage. Oh, and you get an outhouse. You're now on Prime Cut, which is mostly up. More of a climbing trail than anything, but it's kind of fun. We're at 7,000 feet. Don't know why, but I can't breathe.
When you need to walk, walk. There's nothing wrong with walking. As long as you're out there.
You just went by. They have those electric skateboards.
So I'm doing something called front side. Leanne's going down Joe's Ridge. I'm too scared. If there weren't any people, I'd probably do it. But so I'm taking a different route. See you there. The rain has started. It's just a little drizzle. I hope it doesn't downpour because these trails turn to clay when they get wet. I'm a little scared, but I'm okay. Right up on a ridge. This is just amazing. This is like some of the best riding I've ever done in my life. Yeah, this is too scary for me. I'm walking down this hill.
This is Joe's Ridge. This trail is crazy, as you're about to see. I'll probably go pretty slow, but I can do it. See ya. I love you, bye. Thank you. Come on, Lion, don't be chicken. You got this. You got this. Good job, Lion. You got this. You can do it. This is not hard. Oh, got a heart attack on that one. I think I got off Joe's somehow because this is too easy. All right. This is Mojo. I think it means more of Joe's Ridge. Good. See ya. Here I go. That was fun. I got a little scared though a couple times, but yeah, it was nice. They have everything labeled now, so I don't have to worry about anybody coming up while I was going down like last time I was here, then 2022. Anyways, just waiting for Liz, and we'll be heading out.
Woo! That was a fun ride. Oh yeah, it was like the best ride ever. Awesome ride.
So fun.
I did, came down front side. Leanne came down Joe's Ridge, and we both did Mojo, met back at the car, and now we're going into Grand Junction to do some shopping, eat some food, head back to camp. I'd like to go to the Colorado National Monument, and that's it. See you later. Bye.
Bye.
We're heading up to the Colorado National Monument right now. We're heading up there. I have my new underwear on, and I like them.
I got new underwear too. Well, I don't know when, but they used to, at one point, the cowboys would bring their cows up for the summer, up this side of this thing. No idea how, but they did. So something I've learned since we've been here is the higher elevation you go, the hotter it gets.
Really makes no sense. Maybe we're closer to the sun. The higher elevation, the harder time I have breathing. For whatever reason, Leanne and I probably need a good 2 months to acclimatize to elevation.
We're definitely sea level people.
Yeah.
But now we're going to see the visitor center.
Yeah, we're going to the visitor center.
Okay, bye.
We bought a couple shirts. This is the Fruta Canyon view. That's the town down in there. And we were riding our bikes near those mountains there.
I wonder what the story is of this place. Is it glacial or ocean? Because we got all this rocky section all around it and then this valley flat.
Does anyone know? Leave us a comment.
So all this is caused 10 million years ago by basalt. So it's very similar to where we were in the Scablands. They mentioned basalts too. And so basically the soft wood, rocks disappeared first by the Colorado River. But I think this was always, at some point was a huge lake. Okay, bye.
Balanced Rock. We're off to City Market. Get some food for dinner tonight.
It's gonna be a lovely meal.
Heading into the City Market. Heading up to our campsite. Well, looks like things have been destroyed.
Hey, yeah, how's everyone doing? Once again, we came back and our shit was everywhere.
Both our canopies were upside down. We broke one of them. We salvaged one of them.
Yeah.
We had to reset up our camp, our base camp. And we're exhausted now from all that. We were gonna cook this amazing dinner, but we're too tired. We just ate the rest of our subs from lunch today. Yeah, we're gonna do nothing because we're too tired. We're exhausted. But the mountain bike ride today was amazing. Absolutely loved it. So this is our new base camp. We only have one canopy left. And so this is now our kitchen. We haven't set up the yoga room again. And right here, we ripped our canopy. And the funny thing is, Leanne said just before we left, let's lower them. We should lower them. Ah, no, it'll be fine. Famous last words is what Leanne said. And then we came back and everything was upside down, flipped over. The wind was just blowing like crazy. I think we have finally learned our lesson. I hope so. We have problems with canopies and awnings.
And tires.
And tires. Check out this sky. Sunsets in the desert, you can't beat them. Best sunsets I've ever seen. Absolutely incredible. And the moon looks like it's about 3/4 full. Almost full moon time. After this day, I need a drink. All right, everyone. We will see you in the morning. That's it. Talk to you later. Bye.
Good night. See you in the morning. Join us in the next episode as we dive into another exciting day in Fruita, Colorado. We'll hit the stunning Kokopelli Trail Network for some epic rides, tackle our daily chores, and savor delicious slices at the famous Hot Tomato Pizzeria. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.